Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the Figma file so Flutter can consume it. Open the file and make sure frames are final. Name layers and components logically so export mapping is predictable. Once done, select UI frames to export and choose SVG for icons and PNG for bitmap images. Pick 1x and 2x where needed for different screen densities. Export grouped components rather than flattened images to preserve reusability. This minimizes manual recreation later and speeds the conversion to Flutter widgets. You now run the conversion tool. Install and open a Figma to Flutter plugin, then select the frames or components you exported earlier. Choose options for widget generation, responsive layout, and asset paths. The plugin produces Dart files with Flutter widgets, styles, and an assets folder. Once generated, import files into your Flutter project and inspect structure. Make sure colors, text styles, and layout constraints match design intent. When necessary, rename classes and refactor repeated widgets into reusable components for cleaner code. Finish by integrating generated code into your app and testing thoroughly. Add asset paths to PubSpec. YAML, run Flutter pubget, and place generated widgets into your widget tree. Wire up navigation and state management, then test on multiple device sizes and orientations to ensure layouts adapt. If something looks off, inspect constraints, font imports, and SVG versus PNG usage. Mismatched pixel ratios or missing fonts are common causes. A quick troubleshooting tip: toggle debug paint size.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.